Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is meron po akong i-share sa inyo ng mga lot or farm lot po natin na residential for sale along Barangay Road. So meron po tayo ditong 3 lots na 300 square meter po yung cut, isa pong inner and dalawa pong corner lot. So this is the Barangay Road, ayan po siya. Ayan. So actually malapit po ito sa Tagaytay, around mga 8 minutes going to Tagaytay. So ayan po yung location ng inner and yung dalawang corner lot. So this one is a pre-selling property po siya. So at the end of the video I will show you yung develop nung or sample development ng ating project. So ayan po yung Tagaytay Cockpit Arena. So very near, around 8 minutes lang po siya to Tagaytay boundary. And dito naman po sa kabila is yung ating Mendez Bayan. So dyan po located yung Municipal Hall, yung palengke,